Welcome. If you've ever wondered how to send files on Messenger, you're in the right place. In this updated guide, I'll walk you through each step so you can easily share documents, photos, or any other files with your friends, family, or colleagues right from your phone. Let's get started. First, open the Messenger app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. If you don't have the app yet, you can download it for free from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once you're in, it's time to select the chat where you want to send your file. You can scroll through your recent conversations, or if you have a lot of messages, simply tap the search bar at the top and type the name of the person or group you want to message. When you find the right chat, tap to open it. Now, look towards the bottom of your chat screen. You'll see a row of icons next to the text box where you usually type your messages. Tap on the plus sign, often labeled as More. This will expand a menu with additional options. From the expanded menu, find and tap the attachment icon. This icon usually looks like a paperclip or a small document. It's located right next to the text box. Tapping this will open up your device's file manager, allowing you to browse through your files, browse your folders, and select the file you want to send. It could be a PDF, a Word document, an image, or even a video. Once you've found your file, tap on it to select. You'll see a preview or confirmation that the file is ready to be sent. Finally, hit the Send button. Your file will upload and be delivered directly into the chat. The recipient will be able to download and view it right away, and that's it. Sending files on Messenger is quick and simple. Now you can share important documents, assignments, or memories with just a few taps. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tips. Thanks for watching.